Hello everybody. My name is Mayank Gargadi and I am a Odoo functional consultant at Techvaria. So in today's video we will explore how we can manage solar system business using Odoo from lead to sales, project planning, maintenance, installations and invoicing. So whether you are running a solar business or maintenance installations or are just curious about how Odoo can manage the renewable operations or streamline the in business, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the solar industry business in our database. So through app modules we can install it. So click on the app module. Here we select the industry and type solar and search it. So you can see here the solar energy system module is available. Installation button is disappear because I am already installed this module. So once you click on the install button, it will take a few minutes to install this module in your database. So guys, now database is ready because we install. So we will start our flow from lead. Okay, so let's click on the CRM. So first consider that we will create a new fresh lead. Okay, so CRM client is at H Solar Company Private Limited, right? And add this. So now you can see the lead is ready. So click on the lead. Now you can see the lead is passing from multiple cities. So as we are going ahead, process further, the lead is changing its stage. Okay, so the lead is right now a new stage. After some communication with the client, we find out that lead is qualified. Now once the lead is qualified, then it's time to site survey. So the salesperson or CRM person will book the site survey. So how we can book the site survey through activity. So click on the activity, meeting, schedule. So here you can see a calendar is open. Now we select the timing, so 5:30 to 6:30 and save it. So the site survey is booked. Now once the site survey is done, once the field service guy is visit the customer's premises and take some measurements, and once the site survey is done, he click on the mark done and mention his feedback and click on the done. So now site survey is done. So this lead is now jump on the site survey. Now this time is for quotation. Okay, so you can create a quotation from CRM as well as sales module. Okay, we will create from CRM module. So click on the new quotation button. So you can see the customer is automatically paged. Now here is a quotation template. So we are already pre-built some templates quotation. Okay, so reduce some time. So here we select quotation template for 5 kilo on grid. Okay, so once you select the product, system will automatically fetch the order line. Okay, all the parts, prices, quantities, all things. Okay, now we save the quotation. Before we confirm, I would like to show some product configurations. So solar panel set. So once you click on it, we will go in the solar product configuration. Here you can see the bill of material, right? Because solar panel set is completely a bunch of products. So bill of material, we open the bill of material. Now you can see that the solar panel contains 4 kind of products, means 1 kind of kit. So here we can mention the bill of material type is a kit. So once the order is done, the system will deliver the all products this as a kit. Okay, so let back to sales order. So this is our sales order. Now Once the quotation is confirmed by customer, we confirm the order. So once we confirm the sales order, you can see the three smart buttons are appear. One is related to project and task. Through this smart button, we can manage the installation process. A recorded button means we can manage the timesheets, and the delivery button. Let's check it out. What is inside? So delivery button. Once we select on the delivery button, you can see the list of products which are transferred or moving from our location, our warehouse location to customer location. Okay, so these are the product list. Now you can see here the product status means available, means this product is right now available. If not available, then here you can see the not available in a red color. So if the in that case, the system will work out on the replenishment rule, which what we uh, configured in a product form. Okay, and once it available, then system will show here. So now the all products are available. So once we validate it, system will consider that this product is moving from our location to reach customer location. You can traceability, so you can check track the lot and serial number and all. Okay, now let's back to the sales order. So now the material or product or component is reached to customer location and it's time for installation. So go to the project form, project module, solar installation project. Now here you can see the solar our sales order, our task is ready at new stage. Same like a lead, project task is also passing from multiple stages. So select on the task. Now once you open the task, you can see the three smart button also available. One is this linked sales order. Okay, the another one is a worksheet, report, and the third one is the products. Okay, now here we assign the assigning and allot the date plan. Okay, so right now we allot the plan. Okay, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and here we allot the time for installation. So the field service guy know that in how much time we have to close this task, complete this task. Okay, so 8 hours, right? Now once the field service guy reaches customer location, he click on the start button, so his timer is start. Then start in installation in progress. Okay, then if this service is under warranty, then field service guys click here, and it means the invoice is not generated. And if the service is paid, then he remove the tick. So this this service is chargeable or paid or including our invoice. Okay, so now once the all thing is once the timer is start, he will work out, he start workout, and after this work, click on the worksheet. Here we select the customer name, sales order number, then assignee who is okay, date. Now what time he start? So here he mentioned 8:18 and consider that he started at 10 a.m. Okay, and completion date means the task is done. Okay, so 18 and consider that the task is completed near 5. Okay, plan is 5 kilowatt on grid. Okay, he can attach the photographs. right? And after the attach the photograph, he before the saving the document, he just have to sign, adopt, and save. So once the save, the worksheet is ready. Okay, now he just stop here and mention how much time he, okay, and remark whatever installation is done. Installation done. Okay, log a time. So now you can check out the timesheet. Here the time is done. After this, he can send this report and everything to the customer through the sign and reports. So once he click on the sign and report, customer can see the all things, all the solar charges, panel prices, whatever worksheet details are available, all things are available. Okay, so once the customer is sign the report, okay, sign the report, let's go to the for our project module. See, now fourth button is pop-up customer preview. Okay, so once the task is complete, now the because worksheet is complete, task is done, customer review is get received, now the task is complete. So field service guy tick on the mark is done. Okay, so the task is over. Now let's go to the invoice part. So click on the sales module, open the sales. Now here you can see the recorded 8 hours. Whatever the field service guy mentioned hours in a timesheet, it will show here. Okay, now create the invoice. Great. So this is the draft form. So here we select the invoice date. Here you can see all the products. Okay, now the next thing is journal items. So here you can see the all journals, relevant journal, all entries post where it posting or things. Okay, now once you confirm it, you can confirm the all journal entries at the form of invoice. Okay, so now the invoice is ready, and once you confirm the payment from received from client, you just click on the pay button. So here we create the payment. See, payment is created, right? So in this complete flow, we see from lead to invoice complete flow. So thanks for watching this complete video. We hope this tutorial helpful for you to understand how you can manage the solar system business in Odoo. Okay, so if you have any query concern, just contact us on a Techvaria. Thank you for watching video. Let's meet in next video.